Good morning, class 4. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Stepwise Thinking. Children, we had done 2 chapters before the vacations, which you must be learning and preparing for unit test. And this is the 3rd chapter. So let us start the 3rd chapter, that is Stepwise Thinking. Stepwise thinking means whenever we have to solve any problem or whenever we have to accomplish any task that we have with us, means we have to finish any task, then we have to think about how we are going to do that task and plan ahead of the steps which we will take to accomplish those tasks. So let's see what is all there in the chapter. We usually think and plan ahead before attempting to perform a complex task. However, analyzing the task's various components and developing a stepwise method to execute it is of vital importance. Means whenever we have to perform any complex task, we think before it and we plan before it. And we also analyze, means we analyze what all components, what all things have to be performed before that, so that we can make out what steps we have to take in, and performing those steps in a proper manner is very important. Stepwise thinking helps in converting complicated tasks into ordered simple steps. Like, let's see, suppose you have to give your exams, so you cannot just get up and start giving your exams. Like if I say tomorrow you have your computer exam, so you just cannot get up early in the morning and you are ready for the exam. What is there, the task you have in your hand is to give the exam. Before that, what you have to see, whether I have completed my assignments or not, whether my assignments are in order or not. If my assignments are not complete, what I have to do, whom should I ask for the assignment. If the assignments are complete, whether my assignments are corrected or not by the class teacher or the teacher concerned. Okay, now when the assignments are checked, corrected, then whether I have learned the assignments or not. And if I have learned, have I checked my knowledge of those assignments? So these things we ask ourselves because we have to accomplish a complicated task of giving exams. So just like that, it is written stepwise thinking, means we have to think of various steps, and then it helps in converting complicated tasks into ordered simple steps. Means if you have taken proper steps like finishing the assignment on time, then getting it checked properly, then learning it, then it becomes easier for you to give your exam. Same way, if we approach a problem with stepwise thinking and divided it to proper steps that we can take, then we can complete any difficult problem in an easy manner. It also helps in finding the various possible solutions to achieve the desired goals, like how we can reach to our aim or whatever that we want easily, and selecting the most suitable one. Out of all the goals, how we can choose the most suitable one. By thinking stepwise, you not only complete a given task but also do it much more easily, quickly, and in the best possible way. Like here it is written, the best possible solution, means there could be many solution to a problem. Like if you have to give exam, either you can learn and give the exam, or you can cheat from the other child's copy, and then you can give the exam. So the easiest and the best possible solution here is that you learn and then you appear for your exam. So it helps us in analyzing. When we think about what steps we have to take, it helps us in analyzing which is the best possible way to achieve our goals.